So I thought I'd make this video because it's kind of interesting. I decided that I'd switch my Vio on again. You know, I haven't really used it for a while, so turn it on again. And it seems that it's not really working properly. So at the moment we just have a blank screen, but I move the cursor and then it just disappears and then does that. It's like, and you may have noticed that some like flashes in the corner there, which looks like a sort of like a Wi-Fi icon. And I'm thinking, like, is it corrupted or something? Because there's not much hard drive activity, so I'm thinking maybe the operating system might have got corrupted or something like that. So I guess I could try a reboot. I mean, I tried rebooting it before, but well, that wasn't a proper reboot. It was a sleep mode. I didn't do a hard reset. Let's try that again. Oh, turned off again. Now it's come back on again. This laptop's acting weird. Don't know why. I mean, to be fair, I haven't used it in about a month. Which they always say, if you don't use computers much, they start acting weird. So it seems to be loading Windows, but when it tries to get into the logon screen, it just sort of goes blank and a weird icon starts flashing in the corner. I mean, this one still works okay. Booted into Windows, no problem. In fact, if this doesn't work, I'm going to try taking a hard drive out of this one, putting it in this one, see what it does. And by the looks of things, it's doing it again. Oh, that's actually stayed on the screen this time. That's weird, that is. It doesn't respond to any key presses or anything like that. It just stays on the screen. Won't even let me sort of click on it or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the drive out of it, and then put it in this one, see what happens. Okay, so while this is shutting down, which it will do because I just pressed shut down, I'm gonna sort of got my screwdriver and I'm gonna take this hard drive out. Wait, one program still needs to close. Oh wait, it's closing now. Okay, that's good. So yeah, this hard drive's coming out. I mean, it's the Hitachi one that was originally in this, so once that is shut down, I can then put this in. Just got to wait for it to shut down. come on. I guess this is why you should use SSDs in laptops. Much more faster and reliable. But then at the same time, there we are, shut down. At the same time, SSDs only have a limited amount of reads and writes, so therefore you are limited in terms of how often you can read and write to them. Anyway, got the drive out of here, so then we can just remove that screw. Where can I pop it in this tray here? Okay. And then I'll just, it helps if I actually remove this screw as well. Otherwise I end up tearing this thing here. Try and do it single-handedly. I won't bother taking them out of their drive caddies, because since this is on a lead, I can just have the hard drive just... not that I'd recommend doing that all the time, it's just while I'm testing stuff. Let's try and do this single-handedly, a bit tricky. If I can't do it, I'm going to have to put the camera down. Hold on, I think I got it in now. There we go. Now, we can carefully flip this over. With the hard drive literally just there. In fact, I should probably prop this up with its power supply. There we go, so the hard drive's there. Now we can turn on the laptop. And see if it actually boots. Oh, I've just realised why it's not working. Because this thing was booting from UEFI. The BIOS was booting from UEFI, so that means this thing won't boot from it, because this thing only has a legacy BIOS. Oh my god. That was a waste of time, wasn't it? I should have thought of that. Why didn't I think of that? Why did they have to invent UEFI? Never understood that. So let's start out the question then. So yeah, what a waste of time that was. I mean, we could try putting this drive in here to see if the computer's not defective. Yeah, that's one thing we can try. The problem is, will this drive caddy fit in here? No, it doesn't look like it will. Plus, I'm going to have to remove the actual caddy. Well, back in a minute. Okay then, so the hard drive is in, but it's in loosely, so what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to put this cover on and make sure to be very careful when I flip the laptop over not to dislodge the hard drive. As I said, I'm only testing stuff. I'm not actually going to be making this permanent, so this isn't recommended to try. So if I just carefully flip this over, there we go. Open the lid. Now let's try booting it up. Now one thing I will have to do is I will have to set this to legacy BIOS, so I'm going to press the assist button, which will take me into the UEFI menu, then I will set it to legacy. There we are. Start BIOS setup. Let's see, boot UEFI. Want that legacy. Okay, exit. Save changes. Yes. Then exit setup. Yes. There we go. Yay! We've got starting Windows. Oh great, I just realised it's going to mess up the drivers, isn't it? Of course it is. Of course it is, it's going to mess up the drivers. Should have thought of that. Yep, of course it has. Look, see, the trackpad's not even working. The trackpad doesn't even work. What about the keyboard? See if the keyboard works. Yep, the keyboard works. But that's all that works, really. But still, at least the computer works. It's just this blimmin' hard drive that's dead. At least I think it's dead. I don't know. I'll have to try on another UEFI. The only UEFI computer I have that might actually support it is my main PC. So yeah, the trackpad doesn't work at all. Nope, trackpad doesn't work. And of course it's trying to update Steam. Oh, wait a minute. Looks like the Wi-Fi's detected though, which is a bonus I guess, but the trackpad not working. So what I'll have to do is to tab my way down to shut down. So then, what's our verdict? So obviously Windows is going to need to be reinstalled on this hard drive. So I'll have to see if I can get Windows 8 reinstalled on this hard drive, and then of course put the hard disk from this back in the HP, hoping that things will still be working. So yeah, again, being careful since it's not really secured that well, and I guess I'll be back when I put all the hard drives back in their computers. Okay, so now that the hard drives are back in these computers, I guess I should actually see if I can get them to boot again. So just to see if they actually work, I'll just power them on again. Wait, I should have probably set this one back to legacy, but oh well. That's interesting, it's saying PXE boot thing. But yeah, I guess I'll round the video off here then. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.